I'm Mike Zappitelli, MAZ Construction. I was born and raised in Westchester, PA. I'm a second-generation custom home builder and remodeler. I grew up with my father side by side since the age of 2 on job sites. I continued throughout high school, graduating valedictorian in carpentry and cabinet making. I proceeded to go to school for construction management. Now every day on a day-to-day basis work hand in hand with my sister building our custom homes.
I'm Lauren Zappitelli and I'm the owner of Anchor Home Studios. I've had my own business for about 6 years now, and Mike and I have been working together for the past 2 years or so.
Having Lauren involved from the beginning, we both go into it like you're our family. We're looking at this as our house and helping you realize the finished product versus just taking a set of plans and you're going in blind. We walk every room with you. Lauren does every finish, every outlet, every light, piece of tile, cabinetry counters, and it really streamlines your process, your stress level. It makes it fun at the end of the day. So, clients come to us in all different aspects. Some have pictures, some have ideas in their head. It could be a simple, picture on your iPhone, picture on Pinterest, and Lauren takes that and collaborates it into a design deck for our client in specific for their home, room by room, finish by finish. So it's pictured, so you could take your plan and visualize that room. It's our little custom touch to the project.
It's about bringing different components together and making it truly feel like it's theirs. And it becomes very close to our hearts every single project we do together. If I'm not sad when I leave the home, then I feel like I didn't do my job because I'm not connected to it.
So if you guys are looking to become part of our family of building, we encourage you to take a look at our website, mazconstruction.com, or follow all our projects live on Instagram at MAZ Builds.